Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lee if you're new here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my low carb pigs in blankets. This is actually more of a UK version of pigs in blankets because here in the US, or at least the part I'm from, pigs in blankets are these little smokies wrapped in crescent dough, like the Pillsbury crescent dough. But in the UK, they wrap them in bacon, which is so much better for those of us on low carb or keto diets. The first thing you're gonna need is bacon, and I got this at Aldi. This is just their lower sodium bacon. Then you're going to need little smokies, which I got at Sam's, but you can get them at any grocery store. Next, I have a sheet pan. I just lined mine with foil and then parchment paper. The foil for easy cleanup, the parchment paper to keep it from sticking. I'm gonna start by cutting this bacon in half. You can take it out of the package before you do that. Next, you're just going to take one of your little smokies and wrap it in the half slice of bacon. Place it on your parchment paper. Now that they're all wrapped up and almost ready to go in the oven, this part is optional, but I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder, whoops, or a lot, garlic powder, and black pepper. Then just pop these into a 375-degree oven until the bacon is as crispy as you like it. I'll be back to show you what they look like when they're done. Here they are straight out of the oven. I let them go pretty long because we like the bacon nice and crispy. These took about 40 minutes to get to this point. The bacon was probably fully cooked at around 30 minutes, but I wanted it to be crispy, like I said. Here they are, all plated up and ready to go. These are perfect for whatever function you have coming up, football games, any kind of get-togethers. These are great. Just add your favorite dipping sauce. My husband tends to like a spicy mustard or a grainy mustard with them, but you can add whatever you like. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me, please, and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Lee'sHome05. Thanks for watching. Bye.